Hi guys! In this video, I will try to make my very first balloon garland with my new easel. Since I will make a small garland, I will make my cluster smaller too, so I can easily distribute the colors. I made 6 balloons in a cluster. I made sure that the core is intact. I use the neck of the balloons to tie my clusters together. And 2/16 to attach the clusters to the easel. Colors that I used are peach, olive green, mocha, latte, and sage green. I made attachment points with 2/16 to secure the garland. I removed the styrofoam so you can see what I'm doing behind the easel. I want the garland to be elegant but not overpowering the easel, which is the main decor. The garland's purpose is just to accessorize the easel, so the garland must not be over the top, in my opinion. I added some clusters to add volume and shape to the garland. And now the 5-inch mini garlands. Check the description box to see the link of the video how I make them. I tied both ends of the mini garland to secure it. I replace the sage green to peach to evenly distribute the colors. Then I added the eucalyptus leaves as accessory. And that's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye!